Good day, friends. I hope you're all healthy, wealthy, and happy. Today we are going to cook some Bok Choy, which is a Chinese cabbage, and I will show you how to prepare them and stir fry them and make the sauce. So first thing is to cut them. I will get rid of the stems at the bottom if there are any. That's the hard part we don't want. And if there are any yellow leaves, we get rid of them. Now we cut them all in half. Now we cut the halves in halves again, so we are having quarters. Now we are going to wash them and make sure you open the leaves and wash them thoroughly, because there might be some sediment between the leaves, and then leave them for extra water to drip down. Now I have already washed the leaves, and as you can see, I'm leaving them a little bit to get rid of that extra water that is inside them. Now we are going to prepare the sauce. So we add 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. And we add the cooking wine or rice wine. It doesn't matter whether it's alcoholic and non-alcoholic. We add some now and some later on. And some sesame seed oil. 1 tablespoon should do. Now we mix them together. And add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. If you can't get cornstarch, use wheat flour. And if you can't get Szechuan sauce, you can use pomegranate sauce or oyster sauce mixed with balsamic vinegar. Now we add a little bit of water, not too much, so that the cornstarch will get dissolved. Now we add the ginger paste. You can add ginger powder if you don't have ginger paste, or even fresh ginger. Now we are ready to start frying the bok choys. We put the frying pan on the stove and add some cooking oil. This is of course olive oil that I'm using. And then we lay the bok choys in the frying pan, one side down at the beginning. Then when one side is cooked, we're going to turn them over to the other side. Of course, we only fry the inside. This is a very healthy food and it's very quick to make, and I'm sure if you cook it and you haven't tasted it before, you're gonna like it. So we wait for one side to get roasted, and then we turn the other side on. We don't put it back side down. It's always either left or right from inside. So as you can see here, one side is done, so I'm going to put it the other way around. We do the same with all the others. Make sure they're all cooked the same amount. Any of them that have both sides roasted, we put them in the serving dish and wait for the rest to get cooked. Now they're all done. We're going to put another frying pan on the stove. This time a smaller one, and add some olive oil again. And now we add the garlic, chopped garlic. As usual, I've got all the ingredients in the description. Please have a look. Now we wait for the garlic to get a little bit roasted. Then we are going to add some water because we need to add sugar. We don't want to burn the sugar, so you have to add a little water. Both sugar and cornstarch will help to have this sauce thick. Now we are going to add a sauce that we made earlier. And mix them and wait for the sauce to get thicker. Now we add some red pepper flakes. The more spicy you want it, the more you add. I'm adding half a teaspoon. If it gets a little thicker, we are going to add some more cooking wine or rice wine, and it doesn't matter if it is alcoholic or non-alcoholic, it's all up to you. And now the sauce looks thick enough. So I turn off the heat. Wait just a little bit for the sauce to cool down. Now we add the sauce to the bok choy, and it's ready to be consumed. I hope you liked the video. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think, and I hope rest of the day will be fantastic for you. Have a nice day and see you later.